Exploring the Depths of NotebookLM, a comprehensive guide introduction to Stephen Johnson and NotebookLM. Stephen Johnson is a well-known author, acclaimed for his works on the intricacies of thought and the evolution of innovation. However, his role as a member of the NotebookLM team at Google reveals another facet of his expertise. For the past 2 years, Johnson has contributed to the development of NotebookLM, a cutting-edge tool designed to enhance our understanding of information. Simply put, NotebookLM is a tool for understanding things, he states. This virtual note-taking and research assistant transforms how users interact with information, enabling a deeper exploration of various subjects. What is NotebookLM? NotebookLM serves as a digital repository where users can curate and analyze information. Users can create dedicated notebooks for specific topics or projects, allowing them to upload a significant volume of data, up to 50 sources comprising 25 million words. These sources can include PDFs, Google Docs, websites, and YouTube videos. Leveraging Gemini 1.5's multimodal capabilities, NotebookLM analyzes and connects the uploaded materials, facilitating a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. NotebookLM not only allows users to ask questions about the content but also formats the information in a way that suits their needs, providing citations that link back to original sources. Importantly, user privacy is safeguarded, with no personal data being shared or utilized for model training. Maximizing your experience with NotebookLM. Tips from Stephen Johnson. To fully harness the capabilities of NotebookLM, Stephen Johnson offers several practical tips that cater to both novice and experienced users. 1. Experiment with recent documents. One of Johnson's initial suggestions is to upload your 10 most recent documents, regardless of their relevance. This exercise serves as a testing ground for NotebookLM's capabilities, enabling users to uncover insights they may not have considered. Whether familiar with the material or exploring new territory, this approach allows for spontaneous discoveries and a better grasp of the tool's functionalities. 2. Create a centralized notebook. Johnson advocates for establishing an everything notebook. This primary notebook should house essential sources and ideas that you frequently reference. It can include inspirational quotes, foundational documents related to your work, and brainstorming notes. Alongside the centralized notebook, create topic-specific notebooks to delve deeper into particular areas of interest. For instance, Johnson has a dedicated notebook for NotebookLM-related work, encompassing press releases and feature descriptions. This organizational strategy allows users to streamline their research and easily access relevant information when needed. 3. Connect the dots across sources. NotebookLM excels at synthesizing information from disparate sources, a common challenge faced by many. Johnson emphasizes the tool's ability to connect scattered data across various formats, be it files on your desktop, online articles, or notes in Google Docs. After conducting brainstorming sessions with tools like Gemini, you can compile the results into NotebookLM. For example, if you're preparing a slide deck, you can gather all relevant materials in NotebookLM, which will then organize and synthesize the information into a coherent format, making the transition to presentation building seamless. 4. Start with suggested questions. Navigating a wealth of information can be daunting. To ease this process, NotebookLM offers suggested questions after uploading content. Johnson encourages users to take advantage of this feature, which helps guide your exploration of the material. The initial questions, found in the Notebook Guide, are designed to stimulate inquiry and prompt further follow-ups based on your interests and uploaded content. 5. Request information in various formats. Recognizing that people process information differently, Johnson stresses the importance of versatility in presentation. NotebookLM allows users to request information in various formats, such as FAQs, briefing documents, timelines, or study guides. A standout feature is the audio overview, which transforms your materials into an engaging conversation between two AI hosts. Experimenting with different formats can enhance both personal understanding and the presentation of information to others. 6. Embrace creative applications. While NotebookLM is a powerful tool for academic and professional use, its potential extends to creative endeavors as well. Johnson notes that many users leverage NotebookLM for projects such as writing fantasy novels or developing intricate game narratives. By compiling various notes, web pages, and multimedia sources into a single notebook, you can pose questions about character details or plot points, aiding in the creative process. NotebookLM can even offer suggestions and critiques, providing a unique perspective that enhances storytelling. 7. Utilize audio overviews. Creating audio overviews from your documents is another recommended practice. Johnson describes the experience as mind-blowing, offering an entertaining auditory rendition of your uploaded materials. The feature now includes customizable options, allowing users to specify focus areas and levels of sophistication. This can be particularly beneficial for receiving constructive feedback on your writing or concepts. 8. Save and summarize your insights. NotebookLM facilitates the preservation of valuable insights gathered during interactions. Users can save noteworthy exchanges with the AI, ensuring that no progress is lost. At the end of a conversation, you can prompt NotebookLM to summarize key points into a single note within your notebook. This feature is invaluable for maintaining continuity in your research and ensuring that you can easily pick up where you left off. Conclusion: unlocking the full potential of NotebookLM. Stephen Johnson's insights into NotebookLM reveal its multifaceted capabilities as a research and creative assistant. By adopting these strategies, users can significantly enhance their experience, transforming how they engage with information. Whether for academic research, professional projects, or creative pursuits, NotebookLM stands out as a powerful tool designed to facilitate deeper understanding and connection across various subjects. As you embark on your journey with NotebookLM, remember to explore its features thoroughly and remain open to innovative applications. With Johnson's tips as a guide, you'll be well equipped to unlock the full potential of this remarkable tool, ultimately enriching your learning and creative processes.